In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import items, products, or services in accounting. By the end, you'll be able to bring your products and services into Akaunting quickly and accurately using the built-in import tool and a ready-made template that ensures everything lines up perfectly. Start by signing in to your Akaunting dashboard. From the navigation menu, click Items. This is the central place where all your products and services live, and it's also where you'll begin the import process. Next, open the Import tool. At the top of the Items page, click the Import button. If you don't see it immediately, click the ellipses icon and select Import from the drop-down. This takes you to the Import screen where you'll prepare the file Akaunting needs. Before you upload anything, download the sample template. Click Download Sample File. This Excel file contains the exact column headers and structure Akaunting expects, which helps prevent errors during import. It's best to use this template rather than starting from a blank sheet, and avoid renaming or deleting the default headers. Open the downloaded XLS or XLSX file and start entering your item details. Fill the name column with the exact product or service name you want to appear in Akaunting. In the type column, use product or service as written. The description field is optional, but it's helpful for clarity. For sale price, enter a number only, no currency symbols, so the system can read it correctly. If you track costs, add a numeric purchase price as well. Category name helps keep your items organized. Use consistent category names to avoid accidental duplicates. In the Enabled column, type True for items you want active right after import. If you need to apply taxes per item, use the Item Taxes sheet in the template and follow the same naming so taxes link to the right items. When you're done, save the spreadsheet in Excel format, XLS or XLSX. Keep the file structure intact and make sure there aren't extra hidden sheets or modified headers. Go back to the Akaunting import screen and upload your saved file. You can drag and drop or browse to locate it. Ensure the file is closed in Excel before uploading so it can be read without issues. Finally, click Import and give it a moment. Akaunting will process your spreadsheet and create your product and service records. Once complete, return to the Items page to see your newly added entries. You can always edit any item afterward if you spot something that needs a quick tweak.